Welcome to the Art Lady channel. Today, this is my leftover candy pancakes from Halloween. And my son and I decided to use them in our breakfast one morning. And I'm sharing with you how they came out. I just poured a little bit of the batter on top of the pancake as it's cooking, just to cover some of the Snicker and banana on this side. And I'm going to cook those till bubbly, and then I will flip them. You can see they're just starting to bubble right now. I just flipped them, and I used, for the Snicker and bananas, I used 2 little mini Snicker bars and 1 banana. So I got 4 pancakes out of that, and so approximately half of a Snicker bar is in the pancake. I tried to reduce the amount of the sugary substance. And here is the size I used, just the small fun size Snickers, and then I used 1 banana cut up. Now I'm going to go ahead and do an M&M banana pancake. And I'm just pouring this in. Can you get me a little fun size M&M bag, please? I'm just pouring in the pancake batter. And I'm going to put some banana with it. So we're going to do M&M banana as our next Halloween leftover candy pancake. And I'm using, can you open it please? I'm using half a banana for the 4 pancakes that I am making. Let me move this over so you can see it a little bit better. Thank you. And 1 package of, these are the small fun size packs. I'm just using 1 package of them. Placing those in. Just a few little M&Ms. We don't want to over sugar everything. And then my bananas. There's a half a banana. And I'll do a little bit more M&Ms on this one. Just for a fun surprise. They look so pretty as they're cooking. They are just starting to bubble. So I'm going to take a sneak peek because I don't want to have burned pancakes. Perfect. And I'm going to flip this one. There we go. And just a few seconds on this side until they're golden brown. Probably about a half a minute maybe. They're doing wonderful. That's just perfect. Okay. And voila, they are gorgeous. Look at that. How fun is that? The Snickers ones came out delish. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of the oil. I'm going to clean this pan a little bit just by scraping it, because we're getting a little messy. Get a paper towel. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more oil and heat it up a bit. I'm using a blend of cold press oil. I want to clean my spatula as well. I don't want this gooey stuff to stick up my pan, because then my pancakes will stick, and we don't want that. That's not fun. Okay, I'm going to take out some of this. There. Okay, the pan is ready for the last batch. I'm going to go ahead and place my batter in. a little runny today. Normally it's not this loose. That one's a little funky shape. And now what I'm doing is I'm crumbling in some peanut butter cup. I'm using, this is a Butterfinger peanut butter cup, and this is a, just a regular peanut butter mini. And so we're crumbling in, oop, that was a big chunk. This, and if you have any banana leftovers, you can put bananas in here as well, because I love this combination with banana. Cook that for a little bit. This is going to be a sweet one. I've been tossing in blueberries. It'd be fun too. I'm going to move this piece. This one didn't get a lot. There. Now I'm using good old-fashioned Hershey's chocolate. I'm going to just break this up a little bit with a knife. It seems to cut up a little bit better. And that was a snack size. Really don't need much. You can do it to your taste. I just want to use up the rest of that bar. There we go. Now we're starting to bubble a bit. So I am going to flip. Perfect. Ooh, give it a little slid. And flip. Flip, and flip. And they don't need too long on the second side, just a few seconds. And flip them, and voila, there you go.